Nothing is handed to anybody. You gotta go make a living if you wanna live. It's the only way to survive in this world today. You gotta think it into existence. I love detailing. It's not a job to me. It's something I love to do.
Hi! Hey, Mike. Hey, good to see you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Smiling.
Nice to
Hip.
meet you.
Hey, Junior.
Hey,
Good to see you. Okay, let's show them around.
It's not big.
Here you go.
Hey, is this it? Is it? No, this is definitely a great spot. You know, you have enough room to really do some cool work in here. There's obviously room for some improvement with, you know, some equipment and everything, but this is actually perfect. This is better than how we started off, so you're already on track, definitely.
We have gotten the full tour. Should we sit down and talk about the business?
I'm ready.
Hi, I'm Mylan from Pristine Detail. I was featured on season 5, episode 1 of Small Business Revolution as an expert to help an automotive detailing business. And that business is Nyce Clean Automotive Detailing. So Ceramic Pro has been in connection with us to get you a full 3-day training at their headquarters in San Diego.
I want to be Ceramic Pro certified.
Right.
You're serious? Thank you so much.
So today I'm at Ceramic Pro headquarters to give Mike a call and surprise him with some goodies that we got in store for him. Yo, what up, Mike?
What's good?
Nothing. What are you doing, man?
Nothing, working.
Okay. Same thing, kinda. I mean, guess where I'm at?
Where you at?
Dude, I'm in San Diego.
Yeah, right.
Nah, for real. I'm out here with my team actually doing some training, and I actually called you for that exact same reason because I'm at the Ceramic Pro headquarters.
What's up, guys? What's up, Mike?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So, man, dude, I've seen you've been killing it, you know, over at your shop. I'm on your Instagram all the time, checking it out, and they wanted to formally invite you to some training down here, man, for Ceramic Pro and the Kavacha PPF.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Dude,
That's exciting.
yeah. So, I mean, like you've seen at our shop, you know, we definitely kill it. And that's some services that you can bring to your whole artillery and really kill it in the game, man. So, your training will be next month. You know, it's going to be about a 4-day training. So, we'd love to see you here, man.
That's awesome.
Bro,
Like,
I'm excited for you. So, like I said, if there's anything you need from me, you can always hit me up. And like I said, the team at Ceramic Pro is here for you like always.
thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Bro.
Yeah. Excited to see you, Mike. Mike, how's it going?
Nice to meet you finally, Ryan. How you
Good to meet
doing?
you in person.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How was the flight out from New York?
It was a little long. I'm scared of flying, but other than that, I had to get here.
Well, welcome to San Diego. Welcome to Ceramic Pro.
Thank you. My first
Check out our
time over
headquarters here.
here. Awesome. Let's do it. Oh man, Ryan, I need that sign from my shop. Where was this at?
Oh, that was in the desert with Alex Choi and Blake Wilkie.
Nice.
We jumped his buggy over McLaren in the desert. That was an insane filming
That's
day.
sick. That's sick.
But you got to check out the video for that one.
Okay. For coming here for training to Ceramic Pro is gonna make my life better. It's gonna elevate my business. It's gonna elevate me, my knowledge on cars, on how to coat cars. I'll be able to train a few guys, teach them, pass it down. So it's dramatically gonna change my life even better from where I'm at now.
Obviously, we got kind of connected through Mylan,
Yes, sir.
who was kind of recruited by the show to be your expert.
Yep.
What did you learn from Mylan that really has helped you so far?
How to save time, what equipment to use, what chemicals to use, shampooers to use, just detail stuff that's gonna help me prosper in my business.
He's been a client of mine for since I started here, 7 years ago almost.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
So it's really cool to kind of watch his growth, and I think that it's cool that we now have tools to help people do it faster.
Yes, sir. And it was amazing that they picked them that has a similar story to mine to help me grow my business. So it worked out good. And when I worked in the factory, it was like Groundhog Day. Get up at 4 a.m. I prep my lunch, say goodbye to the family, at least my wife, because the kids were sleeping. And I would just go put in a 10, 12-hour day at the factory, catching steel all day. I did that for about 10 years. Woke up one morning and finally decided that I just couldn't do it anymore. So I started my own business, and it kept growing and growing. Now I have time. I can go punch in to work at the shop when I want. If my kids need me to take them to the doctors, I can leave the shop and put somebody in charge and go pick them up, take them to the doctors. It's a whole different lifestyle now. It's just, I have time to actually spend with my family.
What I find with a lot of businesses is like, you put a lot of effort into growing your business to a certain degree, right?
Correct.
And then you kind of hit cruise control because you're the employee of your business as well.
Yep.
So have you done a lot of additional additions to the business in the last 4 months, or you've kind of taken that template and you're just kind of working with it?
I'm kind of working with that template, but I'm trying to take more on as I go. I don't want to put too much on my shoulders because it's still a learning curve for me as well. I'm only 2 years in, and
Yeah.
I'm actually at a point to where I feel like I'm 5 years in because of all the help that I'm getting and information. And so what should have took me 5 years, I'm actually here in 2, you know, so it's a good thing though.
The market is growing to where if somebody buys a new car, they want tint, ceramic coating, PPF, all in the same place.
Yep, they don't want to stop here to get tint, stop at the next spot to get a detail. They want it all done in one shop.
So I was actually really impressed at how quickly you brought on tint into the business, which I think helps quite a bit because your earning potential goes up as a more specialized installer, right?
Yes, correct. I picked it up pretty quick, but I'm a fast learner.
Yeah.
I'm hungry,
Yeah.
so I gotta grind. I got kids to feed.
That definitely is a motivator for a lot of guys. Are any of them working within the business currently?
I have my oldest son. I'm teaching him how to detail now. He's just starting off at 21. He wants to learn. My daughter is going to be my secretary. My oldest daughter is going to answer phones and schedule once I get her all trained up and ready to go. And my little man, he just likes to run around and, oh, can I help you wipe a rim once in a while?
Yeah.
And he's off the plate real quick.
But he's like 7, something like that?
He's 7. Hopefully this will take care of their kids and their kids and their kids. That's the plan. It's not for me, it's for them.
So what is kind of the thing that you're most excited about with the training today?
Just learning how to do ceramic coating, to make a car shine and protect it is amazing to me. It's just something that intrigues me. I love to look at that finished product. And now that I can take my shining up to the next level by using Ceramic Pro, it's gonna be unstoppable for me. I'm taking it to a level that nobody, I'm gonna try to be the biggest seller for you guys in the world. That's gonna be my goal.
Who wants to be a volunteer to do, I want 2 people volunteer to do the hood, and then 2 more people to volunteer to do this door and that door.
You see it, he was like, who wants to do it? I don't wait, I wanna jump right in. It's just intriguing to me. It's exciting, something I like to do, so the more I can learn, the better off I'm gonna be. It's the way I look at things.
So this is probably about too much? Yeah, too much. Probably like 10-15% too much. I would say though still, too much is way better than too little with this product. But you can use just a little bit less.
Okay. I think that kind of my goal of the training is to, when somebody comes to the training, is that I think there's a lot of things that you learn just from being able to watch the training videos. Like you've kind of dived in a little bit on our online resources.
Yep, correct.
And you're focusing on things that admittedly you probably already have an interest in, right?
Yes, yes.
And I think the one thing that's super valuable about the training is it puts you into an environment that's a working environment that's highly successful, that you can kind of go, oh man, I didn't even think about that. I need to implement that in my business.
Correct.
And and when you're busy and you're juggling all these things, you know, you don't have time to implement 100% of what you learn. But that little 10% is something you didn't even know you needed to focus on. And I think that's the value of really traveling to a successful facility for training.
I agree. Just being able to do it hands-on and see it live makes a bigger difference. You can watch videos all day, it helps, but when you're there in the action yourself, that's how you really learn.
100%. I even have clients that say that they learned something on the coding application technique side after they've been doing Lamborghinis and Ferraris and stuff for like 4 years, and they still come to training and they still come away with something that they learn about a trick or about product usage or leveling something that was slowing them down or costing them extra money on product.
I was amazed on how great Ceramic Pro really works and brings out your car, protects it, protects the paint. It's just, it's amazing to use their product, and I'm a part of it now, so it's awesome. I want to be one of those bosses that I can help my community out, give back to people that need the help, and pay people what they're really worth. That's my plan and my goals.
Cool. Well, at the training, we actually go over a lot of the employee compensation strategies that we're using.
Okay.
Because I find that's the number one thing is that a lot of my clients, they tend to micromanage their employees because they're too much on like an hourly type salary.
Yep.
And then the only motivation is that their boss is pushing them. But and then you go, well, I only want to work as fast as the slowest guy in the shop, and it really pulls the whole like that whole like energy level down within the shop.
Yeah.
It's pretty incredible when you implement certain strategies how they completely change your management abilities.
I went from having 14 employees, whatever I had, to 11, to 9, to 8, to 6. And when I got down to 6, we produced more than when I had 14. I'm going to show you what that looks like. If people keep asking me, how do you set your price?
So I think you got like a really good foundation, and then I'm really excited for you already to have that foundation and build for it, because so many of my clients start so far below that to where it's like they need just a different logo for their business before they can even take those additional steps forward.
Yeah.
So
that's awesome. I'm excited. I'm excited that you guys got me here, training me. It's an amazing experience. Before I got the training, I wasn't sure if I could apply it and do it correctly. And now that I got the full in-house training, it's going to seem like it's easy to do. There's a big market for ceramic coating, and that my business can grow by learning these techniques and using this product. It's going to bring a high value to my areas because it's not common where I'm from. You have to drive almost 1.5 to 2 hours to get ceramic coating done, so it's going to bring a lot of value to the area.